The Lok Sabha has passed the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Bill 2025, introducing key changes aimed at speeding up insolvency resolution and strengthening the legal framework. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman stated that the amendments are designed to improve efficiency, ensure stricter timelines, and maximize value for stakeholders. She indicated that the reforms also incorporate global best practices and address existing challenges in the process. The bill introduces a new creditor-driven insolvency mechanism, replacing the underused fast-track process, and allows for out-of-court settlements. It also enables a framework for cross-border insolvency cases. Under the revised provisions, insolvency applications must be admitted within 14 days of establishing default, while appeals in such cases are to be resolved within 3 months by the appellate tribunal. The legislation was originally introduced in August 2025 and later reviewed by a select committee, which submitted its report in December. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, first implemented in 2016, has already been amended multiple times and has played a significant role on improving the health of the banking sector.